How to add a Reminders widget to iPhone. To get started, first of all press and hold a blank area until your apps start to jiggle, then tap on Edit in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu at the top, tap Add Widget Options. This will open the widget gallery, where you can browse and add a variety of available widgets. On the widget screen, you can use the search bar for convenience. In the search bar at the top, type Reminders to find the widget. You will now be shown the different types and sizes of widgets available for the Reminders app. You can swipe left or right to preview the different available formats and sizes for the widget. Once you've chosen, tap the Add Widget button at the bottom of the screen. The widget will be placed on your home screen. Once finished, tap on Done at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily add a Reminders widget to your iPhone's home screen.